Hey guys, today I am doing an unboxing video. I'm hoping this inside this box is what I think it is, so I'm just gonna go in and cut it open. Ah, yes. And it is what it is. This is what I was expecting. This is amazing. Alright guys, so this is what I've been waiting for. Just get it out. This bad boy, TRIRRON headset. Got it off game website. The box is very nice. It's got all the details, what instructions to tell you what to do. It's got a wireless chat servers, adapter. The box is really nice. Let me just take off this tape here. If I can get it undone. Ow, I just stabbed myself. Open it. Oh man. Yeah, I've been waiting for this. I ordered it on Thursday, and then just came. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to using it. If I can get into it, that's when. So, 1 second. The box is really nice. I really like this kind of box. Oh, fuck, do you get it open? Oh, here we go. Oh, and there's the TRIRRON logo. Now to get into this bad boy. Whoa, it's really nice. It like closes up. Like this. So this is the other box from this box. Really wanted to keep this box, but I kind of ripped it up now. So yeah, so let's just take this off. Oh, this is really nice. The box is really heavy. Oh god. What's this? Instructions. Tells you everything about it now. Read that later. And this is just another instruction book. I'll get to the headset in a minute. I'm guessing this is like an amp kind of thing, or for the wireless, because it's a wired and wireless headset. So this is really neat. And this is its stand, I'm guessing. I'm guessing it just sits in there somehow. And this must be where all the stuff for the headset is. So let's just have a look. Yep. It's got this that you put into the back of your Xbox. I don't know what this is for. Here's the TRIRRON mic. Like, got that nice metal bit there. It's really nice, and it's a clip-on like one, so you can just plug it in and out. Stick these into the side of your telly. I'm guessing these are like battery things. I don't know. I'm kind of, so I'll see what they do. One second, let me just. Oh, plug sockets kind of thing. So that's kind of cool. I need to read the instructions to see how this all works. Let me just cut into this. Let me just cut into these. These are quite tough. God, that might get this out. What happened? Here. Let me do this. Here is the TRIRRON headset. It is really nice and comfortable, better than my other one, and it's got the soft bit at the top, so it's soft on your head. And yeah, this is really neat. I really like this. I think I'm going to be doing pretty good with this on the Call of Duties and stuff. It's got the Xbox 360 logo on top, like so. So it's pretty cool. It's really shiny. I really like it. And oh, it's got like I think a game volume. Mute button is somewhere around here. I don't know. I think it's this one here. Mute button. If I can find the mic. Oh shit. Right, here it is. If I can connect the mic. There's the little hole. There it is. Like so. Click it into there and it should just go in. And yeah, it is really nice. It turns so you can have it like so. It's really nice. Mic's adjustable. really nice. Yeah, the insides feel really nice. Can't wait to try this headset out. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. So that's my unboxing for today. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Peace.